Hello everyone, welcome to my online geography class KSK Geography. As we are doing the map pictures of India. So in my last video we watched about the mountains, the hills and the mountain peaks, and in this video we are going to discuss about the plains and deserts. So for that you need to be with me till the last. So first let's start with the plains. Plains further divided into two groups, that is the Gangetic plains. It means those are the inland coastal plains. On the other hand, coastal plains, there are 5 coastal plains: Konkan, Kannada, Malabar, Coromandel and Northern Sarkar. Now I am just going to give you easy tricks to remember all the coastal plains like Konkan, Kannada, Malabar, Coromandel and Northern Sarkar. How to remember those things, from where to where it is located. But before that we will do the easy one, that is the Gangetic plains. For Gangetic plains, you need to remember the India-Nepal boundary that you have done in the mountains, especially for Himalayan mountains marking. So remember again the boundary, that is the Nepal boundary, India-Nepal boundary. Remember Himalayan mountain, it was above the Nepal boundary. It will come below the Nepal boundary, you will not get marks. And on the other hand, Gangetic plains, it should not go in the Nepal boundary. Within the Nepal boundary is big no for Gangetic plains. Why? Because mountains and plains, it cannot be together, right? And Gangetic plains, obviously it will be there along with the Ganga river. And as you know, the Ganga river, this one is the Ganga river, and along with the tributaries is the Ganga river. So the plains, it will be there along with the Ganga rivers, right? So how will mark? Remember, plains you need to mark with green color. So how will mark that? So below the Nepal boundary, as I said, below the Nepal boundary, so it should go below the Nepal boundary, and rest portion you need to shade it with green color like this. So it should not go in the Nepal boundary. And now you have to mark it like this, and here this river you need to remember, and here the Damodar river you need to remember, and you have to cover the West Bengal part also, right? You have to go up and then again below the Nepal boundary it should come like this. Now the whole portion you need to shade it with green color, that it will be there for Gangetic plains, right? That is the Gangetic plains. Now you can name it over this place Gangetic plain. Now let's go with the coastal plains. Remember coastal plains, as I said, Konkan, Kannada, Malabar, Coromandel and Northern Sarkar. All the coastal plains you need to mark with green color again. Now remember here the Krishna river is very important. If you remember the Krishna river, so then that coastal plains marking, it will be very easy for you, right? So this is the Krishna river and below the tributary is Tungabhadra river. Now how will remember Konkan, Kannada, Malabar and Coromandel and Northern Sarkar? First of all, you need to divide all the 5 coastal plains in under 2 divisions. That is the western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. Western coastal plains, there will be 3. What are those? Konkan, Kannada and Malabar, right? In that sequence, Konkan, Kannada and Malabar. And the eastern coastal plains, there will be 2. These are the Coromandel coast and Northern Sarkar coast, right? So Krishna river you have to remember. Remember the Konkan, it will start below the Tapti river. Remember it will start below the Tapti river. From this portion it will, remember there should not be any gap in between the coastal plains and the coastal line. So it will start from there, and how long it will go? It will go up to the Krishna river. Remember where the Krishna and Tungabhadra river join. Krishna and Tungabhadra river join. From there you need to imagine one straight line like this. If you remember the straight line, it need to go up to this much. That you need to remember. After that, that is Kannada. Kannada, it will start from that particular point to the below, where? Up to the Tungabhadra river sources. Up to the Tungabhadra river sources, that it will go. So here you need to start from here to here, that it will be there, for Kannada coast. And rest, after Kannada coast, rest portion it will go, that it will be there, that is the Malabar coast. So Malabar coast, where it will go? It will start from there and up to the, and after that it will go up to the Kanyakumari, with green color. So that it will be Konkan, Kanara and Malabar. Remember, in exam time, any one it will be given, so there will be no confusion. You can mark it with green color very easily. Next one, the Coromandel coast and Northern Sarkar coast. Remember, for Coromandel coast, you need to remember the Krishna river. So from Krishna river it will start and it will go along with the coastal lines. It will cross the Mahanadi river also and it will go up to this much. That is the Northern Sarkar coastal plains. On the other hand, that is the Coromandel coast. Remember, it will be below the Krishna river. So Krishna river, where it is located? From there, it will go up to the Kanyakumari. It will go up to the Kanyakumari, that it will be called as the Coromandel coast. Remember this Coromandel coast, it will be from here. So these are the division you need to remember. So again, I am just repeating the western coastal plains, Konkan, Kanara and Malabar. So it will Tapti river to the Krishna and Tungabhadra river joins. From there to, that is where the Tungabhadra river source, up to this much, that it will be there, that Kanara coast, and rest that it will be Malabar coast. So in that way you need to mark those plains, right? Now the another only one desert is there according to your ICSE syllabus, that is third desert, and that is also called the Great Indian Desert. Now where you have to mark? I hope you remember you have marked the Aravalli mountain. So here is the Aravalli mountain like this. So western part of Aravalli mountain, that is the third desert. Now remember, third desert you need to mark with yellow color. Desert you need to mark with yellow color. So this Indian portion here, you need to mark the desert. Remember the Indian boundary like this, and this portion you need to mark with yellow color. That is the third desert of India, and that is also called the Great Indian Deserts of India. That's it. Now in next video will come some other important map pictures. Till now you need to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.